Welcome to Sao Paulo, Brazil. This is sunset time on this amazing mega city. It is so huge, as you can see all around. All you see is buildings and buildings, and it just keeps on going forever. It's like 360 degrees. Wherever you look, it's just going endlessly. And of course, it's in the biggest cities of the world, like with Tokyo and with Mexico City. But what makes it look even so huge is that it's a high city. There's these high rises all over. So if you're really feeling transported, like into another world, and also it's quite a busy sky here because it's the city in the world where you have the highest number of heliports. There's 300 of them. So people travel here, the richest one of course, by helicopters. They kind of started to do that in the 1990s when they were at threats with the kidnapping, and it became a way of life for them. So all day long you see these helicopters going roof to roof, and you hear them or you see them. So it makes Sao Paulo quite an interesting scenery, really, because of that. So this is the city of South America you want to visit because it's once in a lifetime that you want to experience this hugeness. Enjoy!